Welcome to Toto Zoklo channel. Welcome on your house, guys. I would appreciate you to watch this video. This is recipe. This recipe is really strong, guys. We'll make it quick to prepare this recipe, and you'll see what we had there. We have onion, and we have lime, and we have ginger, and we have honey, organic honey, organic honey, organic honey. Yes, this is a recipe I will prepare and to share with you guys. Please, I would like to tell you, if it's your first time come to watch this recipe video, I would like you to press the like button and also head into subscriber and subscribe with this channel, with your channel. Total Zoklo is here to bring a good recipe to you and look at and help you with energy or whatever. So I will appreciate you guys who want support and who want share. And please don't forget, because your support, you're never gonna be regret your support. And I will appreciate you guys for what you want to do. We're going to prepare this recipe for you tonight. Is not gonna be too long. Hey guys, this recipe is here and I'm going to show you exactly, yes, what I do. This is a ginger right here. The ginger will show you what we do with the ginger. We grate the ginger. This recipe is really good. This recipe is good for your body. Even if you feel like you have a flu or you feel like you don't feel normal, this recipe will, I will tell you, this recipe is good for like 100 sickness. It will help you, to make sure to keep you healthy. And another one, even if you 75 years old, will keep up. Will keep you up. I really appreciate it. Ginger. I don't even grate it, ginger, but I'm not gonna do onion like this. I want you watching me exactly what I do. And when you reach some time you want to do it for yourself, you don't have no problem to do it, because you will be able to do it. The Total Zoklo always there for you guys to put something that's gonna keep you healthy and put good concern about the relationship. Not because I am the one who have a good relationship, but the problem is, I have experience and I know what is what, how you're supposed to live. And then what you do, you get the lime, the sour lime. The sour lime, now you gonna cut the sour lime. I don't wash everything, guys. Cut the sour lime. See? Yeah. You cut the sour lime. Put in there with this. Yeah. I want you look clearly, because if you are man, you are male or female, you could do it. And then, now, that, do the same thing. I want you to look to see how that onion will look. See that? This onion is look, but that's really good for you. You could even eat that just like that if you can, but not everybody could do that. You know what I'm saying? Not everybody. This recipe is not going to take too long. I just want to show you how I get it together. Put the rest on there. See, I get all in the sour lime. I put them back here, and I get the rest of ginger. I put them back there for another recipe for myself. And remember, we have organic, yes, organic honey. So So we got that to make sure we don't put no sugar, no sugar, no sugar. Don't put too much honey on that. Don't put too much honey on that. You will see what I do and I will show you guys. Alright? Now we'll go into make sure on the stove now. We're going to make sure put it on the stove. And I will show you how many times I will be cooked. Yeah guys, this is a pot right here. See that? This is the pot right here. And I will put it. This is the pot. Put everything right here. Show you guys here. See it? And put water on it. Guys, this is a good recipe. It's really good for you guys. I want you to watch this video from the start to the end, and then you should try to make sure to do it yourself. This is video you have to watch. Now we go into the stove right now. Yes guys, yeah, this is right here. So you see how the recipe will cook in right now. Almost ready, almost ready. That don't take no time. That don't take no time. You will look to see, and I will show you everything. This recipe is make you healthy, healthy, healthy. This is a remedy. This is a remedy who can make you healthy. This remedy recipe will make you healthy. If you try to make sure to do it, I know yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. If you're looking up, you see, that's how that is. So I would like you to continue to support this channel with your channel, please. I will continue bringing the good things for you, and you could see, because this recipe will make you healthy. And even if you don't feel normal, you don't feel good, you don't have no, let's say you going to sleep is be a problem for you, and sometimes, you know, the partner is really laugh at you or something like that. So you, even if you 80 years old, so what you have to do is just make sure and looking at this video, and you could do the same. And after that finish cooking, only one thing you have to do with that, only one thing you have to put on that is honey. Put honey on that. It's different to you. Me, I love honey, but I don't tell you to put too much on it. Alright? So I would like you to just watch the video from the start to the end, and you will be able to know what you're supposed to do to keep yourself healthy. Okay? So I really appreciate you who always support this channel, because right now, before this year over, I'll request a 10,000 subscriber, please. And I know all of you, I love you, and I know you all both loved me before and from the beginning. And I always gonna remember who was there for me. I'm never gonna forget it. And I will like to continue to pray for the world, because God is good. I know this channel is coming from far, you know, but we are 3 years right now. But no matter what was going on, if God have something there for you, so you will receive it. Because God allow you to receive friends, and the people of the family have to support you. Yes, when you watch this video, please don't be discouraged to support me. Don't be discouraged to share it, and I will appreciate it. This is tons of glow. Yes, I'm gonna show you right now. We going now, almost finished. I'm gonna show you. Let's go to see how we can put that to normal so you can drink.